Alright guys, we got shit, I don't even know what year is it. What year is this?
13.
Is there a trim on this or is it like a fully loaded one?
Fucking fully loaded fucking Raptor.
Oh shit, this is the fully loaded Raptor. He's done some stuff to it too. Check out these fog lights and LED bars. That's nice. 2017 Ford Raptor.
13.
Oh, my bad. 2013.
We record that shit.
2000.
Take two.
2013 Ford Raptor crew cab, fully loaded. We're gonna do spark plugs and wires to it?
Yep.
Alright, cool. What's up guys, I've been doing a lot of this stuff with JR, Jesus. He's been helping me do some repairs with a lot of things on the side with the DIY, and he's come from a Ford shop, so we've been doing a lot of Fords lately, especially at where we work together too, as they have a lot of Fords there.
Hopefully they leave.
But I want to just thank him again for giving me this chance to do all this stuff, to work on projects like this, side work, and
in the garage.
yeah, in the garage, small garage. and letting me do reviews too. So after this one, after we get done here, I'm gonna get able to do a review after we put everything back together. Cool.
Cool man, thanks man.
Yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah, this looks. Got a cold air intake, Roush. Have to pull off air tubes. I'm gonna pull off this air plenum. These two hoses. And then this stupid housing right here. It's supposed to stay in here.
But it never does.
It never freaking does. That's the easy part, kind of. Glass connector all the way in the back over here. Pop out pretty easily. Take the spark plug wires out, because this thing takes 16 spark plugs.
How many again?
16.
Jesus.
Yep. Got those all those taken care of. The bolts for the coils are going to be all 8. So that back one, I'm going to have to use the snap-on just to get to it, but of course the PVC hose is in the way. That one right there, just to be able to get to that last bolt. Make sure you put it on loosen so you don't break it. So after taking the coil apart, it'll be a spring, a resistor pellet, and the boot itself. This one looks like it's the new one. New spring. The new pellet. Took the pellet on the inside. Make sure it goes in all the way. Probably see it sitting in there.
Yep.
You put the boot, spring, make sure it lines up, and then just twist it on. There we go. Grab a little bit of dielectric grease, put it on the inside. Same thing when you put the spark plug wire, put a little bit of dielectric grease in there. So these are the OEM plugs. CYFS 12FP, double platinums, Motorcraft part number SP526, OEM plugs.
Let's see.
Use a Matco swivel socket, magnetic and extension. I already blew the hole out. Once you break it loose, should squeak its way out. On any aluminum engine with aluminum heads, you don't put any anti-seize on the spark plugs because you risk blowing the spark plug completely out. I had one at work the other day. It was a V10. We did a tune-up and put anti-seize on the plugs. You usually do that when it's cast iron heads. Got a little bit of wear on it. Truck's got like 90,000 miles, so we definitely do. It's a new plug. Looks like it's gapped correctly. Not too much, not too little. 44 thousandths, I think, if I'm not mistaken. Make sure you don't cross thread it, because then you'll just make things even worse. Using some high visibility gloves, you know, make sure I don't get lost under the hood. Make sure you use my torque elbow. Coil dielectric grease. Put it down in the hole. These bolts are the intake. Plugs already disconnected for the bottom plugs. I'll do it again. Oh, my head! I bumped my head. I need my bump cap from work. Alright. That's not bad, Barbara. I need some long ones today. I need some long ones today. Gotta do some work today. It should be pretty easy. You can probably get a better shot up top. Oh, shit.
I'm gonna try up top.
Oh, shit, doesn't want to come off. I'm gonna get my pliers, man. I'm gonna get my pliers. My pinces. Get my pinces. Look where I brought them.
Damn, is that hard to pull it out?
Yeah.
Shit.
That was the hard part. Now it's gonna be easier here. I poked my head. Poked my head. Need like 10,000 extensions over here just to be able to get to it. Don't break these vacuum lines, because, yeah, I don't got any other stuff to fix vacuum lines right now. Have to go to, O'Reilly. Alright, we got it out. Oh, shit, there it is. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Damn. A little oily.
Damn.
Oh, shit. So one way you can tell, OEM plugs, got that white mark. Got that white mark. Put that B away. Oh, shoot. Let's start it by hand. Make sure you don't cross-thread it. I might have to use this one by itself. Oh, shit! Oh, damn. Oh, I gotta make sure the porcelain ain't cracked. Be good. If I got a misfire. Oh, shit.
Did it drop again?
No.
Oh.
I just moved down.
Just move the engine out of the way.
I wish I could move the truck out of the way. I don't want to touch that line now. Oh, now I decide to sweat on my eyes. Oh, got it started. Got it started. Dude, this freaking pin river is just digging into my skull.
Oh my god.
Make sure you guys wear a bump cap. Google it.
Big ass rotors.
The normal rotors, man.
Big to me.
Yeah, dust cap, man. Chrome. Chrome edition. Must be a Mexican's truck.
Bicep truck.
It's a bicep truck. The owner of this truck used to have a regular F-150 EcoBoost. He took the system out of it. He should have put it in this.
Oh, he left the other one in there?
No, he took the system out.
Oh.
One down. 8 more to go. Son of a biscuit. No, 7 more to go. I don't know math, man.
You gotta make sure they're the same length.
Make sure. Oh, that one looks a little better. Maybe not.
I think they're all supposed to be the exact one.
No, this one's different because it has the side one. It's got a side piece. To this one. Yeah. Side piece. Side piece. Side piece. I guess all these are all the same way. Man, I'll go grab me some dielectric grease, man. On the fender over there, bro. Over there, man. Oh, shit. Powered by Prototypes. So the tip Hey man, what are you doing over there, man? You're making all that noise over there, man. Oh, you're trying to put the old one back in. Make sure it clicks. Click it or take it. Oh shoot. One time I left a tool on a truck. Not here. At my other job. And I was driving down the side of the road next to the freeway. And I was driving and I see something chrome just bouncing. I was like, oh, that's probably that socket. I can't find it anymore. So I pulled around and tried looking for it. The 10mm gods took them.
The 10 mil.
10mm gods took them.
The 10 and 8's always going.
10 and 8s are gone, man. I'm gonna start a page just for 10s and 8s. Rest in peace. Man. So we done. Had to take the wheels off to get to the spark plugs on the sides because this thing has 16 spark plugs. Putting the last plug wires in right here. Make sure we good. Make sure you feel them click, because on the random misfire codes on here, no P300s, 316s. Actually, yeah, 316s. Last one right here. Put it through the PCV tube right here. Oh shit, who's calling me? Boom.
Shakalaka.
Got the two 10s in the front. Popular sizes on the board: 10s, 8s, 8s.
You gotta have like a whole freaking set. A whole set of 8s.
Speaking of 10s, where's my 10? There it is, it's right there, man. Found it.
Just have the socket set like a whole thing, just a whole row of 8s on it.
Alright, man, that's tight, man. Don't forget the PCV valvula. Where's the other one? Right there, brake booster. I think we good. Grab all the tools. Alright, man, here it goes, man, for the start up. First like a kid, no misfire. Job well done. Oh, that's it.